Ever share a link on social media that shows up as plain text instead of a beautiful preview card with an image and description? That's the problem Open Graph Markup solves. Open Graph Markup controls exactly how your web content appears when shared on platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Slack. Without it, social platforms just guess at your page content, often displaying generic or broken previews. With Open Graph, you control the title, description, and image that appear in those rich link previews. Open Graph tags are meta tags that you add to the head section of your HTML document. They're not visible on the page itself, but social media crawlers read them to build those preview cards. Here's what the basic syntax looks like. You use the property attribute to specify which Open Graph field you're defining and the content attribute for its value. The 4 essential Open Graph properties are title for the headline, description for the summary text, image for the preview thumbnail, and URL for the canonical link. These 4 properties give you complete control over your social media presence. Many platforms also support additional properties like type to specify if it's an article, video, or product. Open Graph was created by Facebook in 2010 and quickly became the de facto standard. Twitter developed their own Twitter Cards protocol with similar functionality, but most sites implement both to ensure maximum compatibility across all social platforms. Open Graph meta tags are your secret weapon for controlling how content appears when shared on social media. Add them to your HTML head and watch your links transform into professional preview cards. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.